because I'm sure you want to see how it looks unboxed. Everything. Let me zoom out just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, just like my old one, except the color scheme. The color scheme is a little different. I think it was all yellow. The newer ones here. Okay, so you get a. So it says to put water in here and vinegar. Water and vinegar. Heat it up. Let it cool down. Dump it. And that's the way to quote unquote demineralize it. You get a lot of room, maybe too much room. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. It just took a little longer than doing it. But man, look at this, nice and shiny. Wow, the other one I had was, like I said, it was probably almost 8 to 10 years old. All right, so the first thing I want to do for what I'm going to use it is I'm going to put a tip. I'm going to put this handle on because it's very useful. So the handle goes something like this. So okay, so excellent. So I want it to go this way. All right, I'm putting in the water. I got the funnel in here. Got the funnel in here, and let's just go. All right, I waited a few minutes to get it all warmed up. You see that it's on. This red light is the, I guess when you turn it on, this lights up. I guess when it's warm enough, it turns off, and it's still on. So let's check it out. Sometimes you get a squirt of water, so be careful. When you're about this far away,